friends, welcome to BISP solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a sales status and how to create a new sales status. So opportunity and the product line on the opportunities have the status like lost, no sell, open, and won. These predefined status are the part of the larger status category. The application uses this status category when calculating the business intelligence metrics for win and loss analysis. You can create the status, associating them with the existing status category. You can't add new status category. This is the main thing, you can't add any status category. So you can create sales status or update the existing one as long as you stay within the four predefined categories which I told you, that is loss, no sell, open, and won. Now let's move to the application to add a new sales status. So click on this setting and action, click on that, click on this setup and maintenance. In setup part, click on this drop-down menu and select sales. In functional area, click on opportunities. In the task area, show the all tasks. So click on this drop down and select all tasks. In this task list, click on this manage sales status. So in order to create new status, click on this plus sign. It is create icon. Click on that. Go inserted. So let's enter the status code. Now give the status name. This is the value that display in alphabetically order in the opportunity pages. So I'm going to enter. Now select the active checkbox. So I'm going to select this active checkbox. And this is the status category. I will told you that you can't add any categories, new categories. So I'm going to select one of them. So I'm going to use this lost one. You can add the description over here, but I'm going to leave this and now save. Save course. See, gets created. Now let's see that status gets created or not. So click on this home button. Click on this opportunities tab and select one of these, one opportunity. Let's open it. In the fields like status, you can see the status and click on this drop down menu and see the one is the new status get shown over here. See, this is how you can add the sales status in the Oracle Fusion application. So, close. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.